Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create this type of product advertisement or product sale promotional video in Filmora 13. So without any further delay, let's start today's video. First, go to the files and change project frame rate from 25 frames per second to 30 fps. Then drop the background on track 1 and make it 9 seconds long. Then go to the effects and apply Christmas vlog overlay 2 on track 2 and make it 4 seconds and 21 frames long. Then right click on it and make a compound clip. Then go to the mask and select pen tool and keep left side stars only. Then increase the blur strength so that it blends well with the background. Then go to the video and change blend mode to lighten. Then duplicate it on same track and keep overlay till 9 seconds. Then again go to the effects and apply Merry Christmas overlay 5 and keep it for 4 seconds and 21 frames. Again duplicate it on same track, then apply Merry Christmas overlay 2 on track 3 and make it 4 seconds and 21 frames long. Then change opacity to 50% and duplicate it on a same track till 9 seconds. Then to create a smooth transition between two effects, apply dissolve transition on all effects and change transition duration to 20 frames. Now drop the first product image on track 5, go to the color and do some color adjustment. Then make it 4 seconds and 21 frames long. Place the playhead at start, change scale to 70, give -10 degree rotation. Then change X to 1060 and on keyframes. Then after 20 frames, change scale to 95, X to 350 and rotation to 15 degree. Then at 4 seconds, add blank keyframe. Then after 20 frames, change scale to 60, X to -90, Y to 40 and rotation to 0 degree. Go back to 4 seconds and on opacity keyframe. Then after 20 frames, change opacity to 0%. Then select ease in for last opacity keyframe and make a perfect curve. Now select the second keyframe in keyframe panel and ease in them. Then select the end keyframe and select ease in so that you will get this type of smooth animation. Now shift product image to track 6, go to the stock media and drop the black solid color on track 5. Then go to the mask, select circle mask, change scale to 15, then increase width and adjust the mask position under the product. Now increase the blur strength and scale to create a shadow. Then place the playhead at start and under video change X position to 1060 and on keyframe. Then at 20th frame change X to 30. Then at 4 seconds add blank keyframe for position and opacity. Then after 20 frames go back to 4 seconds mark and on scale keyframe. Then after 20 frames change scale to 55, X to -280 and opacity to 0%. Then select 4th keyframe and ease out them. Then select second keyframes and select ease in. So now we have a product with shadow. Now place the playhead at 11th frame, go to the titles and drop the default title at the playhead position and keep it till 4 seconds and 21 frame. Then change font to Montserrat Extra Bold, font size to 55. Then enter your product name like I am entering Canon 6D Mark II. Then select Mark II and change font size to 20. Now place the product name towards the left side. Then go to the animation and select jump from below and change duration to 1.30. Then place the playhead at 4 seconds and second frame, add opacity keyframe. Then after 11 frames change opacity to 0. Then go to the sticker and search for discount, and you will get lots of options which you can use in product advertisement video. Then drop the discount sticker on track 8, make it 4 seconds and 21 frames long, and adjust the scale and place it at the left lower corner. Then place the playhead at 1 second and 14th frame, go to the titles and search for price tag. And you will see lots of price tag options. Select any one and drop at the playhead position and adjust the duration. Double click on it, change scale, then adjust the position and place it on letter D. Then delete the extra text, select the text and change it with the product discounted price. Then adjust the font size and rotate the product price. Then add 4 second and 2nd frame on opacity keyframe. Then after 11 frames, change opacity to 0%. Then convert it into a compound clip. Then go to the mask, select pen tool and zoom in the preview screen. And create a mask on a tag thread. So it will create an illusion like it is hanging on letter D, and adjust the position. Then select all the clips except price tag, copy them and convert into a compound clip. Then paste the copied clip. Then adjust the effects and background duration. Now to change the product, select product clip, hold Alt key and drop the second product image on current one. Then on 2nd and 3rd keyframe, increase the scale value. Then change the product name. Then go inside the price tag compound clip, select the tag title, copy it, then go back to main timeline and select track and paste the copied tag title. Now change the product price. Then adjust the main title. Then select the tag title, go to the video and adjust the position on letter H. Then convert it into a compound clip and use mask on thread. Then select all the clips except tag title and create a compound clip. Then at 4 seconds and 10th frame, place the second product clip on track 6 and adjust the price tag of second product. Then once again adjust the effect and background duration according to the product 2 duration. Now to create a blur effect, place the playhead at start of second product, go to the color and set sharpen to smooth side and on keyframe. Then after few frames, reset the sharpen to 0. Repeat the same on first product. Finally apply auto enhance effect on whole project, then apply sharpen effect, or you can use LUTs or logs, or you can use leak light effect, which you will get in overlay section. Use them wisely on your video to make it more awesome. Now let's render the project to see the final preview. That's it guys, this is how you can make easy and simple product promotion or advertisement video in Filmora. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more awesome tutorials. See you all in my next video. Till then, stay safe. Goodbye.